In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on data saver in x.com, also known as Twitter, in just a few quick steps. This is a simple way to reduce data usage while browsing, especially if you're on a limited mobile plan or just want the app and website to use less bandwidth. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open x.com and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the homepage, look at the left navigation bar and click on More. This opens up the full menu with additional settings and options. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where you can control your account preferences, privacy options, and display settings. Next, click Accessibility, Display and Languages. This section contains options related to how X looks and behaves, including language and display preferences. After that, click Data Usage. Here you'll find the settings that control how much data X uses when loading content, videos, and images. Now simply toggle on data saver. Once this is turned on, X will use less data by reducing the amount of media it loads automatically, which can help save bandwidth and improve performance on slower connections. That's it. The setting is now enabled. You can return to your feed and continue using X with data saver turned on. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.